1&1 IONOS Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to build a website, 1&1 IONOS Website Builder might be on your radar. This platform promises to help users create professional websites without any coding skills. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the key features, target audience, and overall performance, so you can decide if it's the right tool for your business or personal website. 1&1 IONOS Website Builder is designed for individuals, small businesses, and even larger companies who want a fast, user-friendly solution for building websites. It provides an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, which allows you to design and publish a website quickly. The platform also offers a wide range of templates, from blogs to e-commerce sites, making it suitable for different needs. With its mobile optimization, your website will look great on smartphones and tablets, which is crucial in today's mobile-first world. One of the standout features is the AI-powered tool that helps guide you through the setup process. You simply answer a few questions about your business or website, and the tool will generate a tailored site for you. However, while this feature can save time, it doesn't offer the same level of customization that some more advanced builders provide. If you're looking for complete creative control, this might be a limiting factor. In terms of performance, 1&1 IONOS delivers fast loading speeds, which is essential for both user experience and SEO. However, it lacks some of the advanced SEO tools that more sophisticated platforms like WordPress offer. You do get basic features like title tags and meta descriptions. But if you're serious about ranking on search engines, you might need third-party integrations. When it comes to pricing, 1&1 IONOS is competitively priced, especially considering the features it offers. You can get started with a basic plan and scale up as your needs grow. However, the pricing can get a bit tricky when you start adding more features, like an online store or advanced integrations. Customer support is solid, with 24/7 access to live chat and phone support. However, some users have reported that the response times could be quicker, especially during peak hours. Overall, 1&1 IONOS Website Builder is a solid choice for beginners and small businesses looking to get online quickly and affordably. It's not as customizable as some other website builders, but for the price and ease of use, it offers great value. If you're looking for an entry-level tool that's straightforward and practical, this might just be the right platform for you.